Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm one of the tutors here at Wolsey Hall. So this video will explain some of the most commonly used poetic devices. So first of all, a simile. This is a comparison that uses like or as. So here's some examples. I'm as hungry as a wolf. My love is like a rose. A metaphor is slightly different. It's a comparison that doesn't use like or as, such as he's a rock or I am an island. Onomatopoeia is the use of words that sound like what they mean, such as pop or buzz. Alliteration is the repetition of the first consonant sounds in a group of words, such as Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, and that's definitely a bit of a tongue twister. Personification is when you give inanimate objects human characteristics. So, for example, the flames reached for the man hovering in the corner, or the trees stretched to the sky. So they obviously don't actually do those actions, but for the second one, it implies how tall they are. Sensory imagery is imagery that has to do with something that you can see, hear, taste, smell, or feel. For example, the stinging, salty air drenched his face. And finally, symbolism. This is used for one thing to represent another. So, for example, a dove is often a symbol for peace. My top tip is not only can you look out for these techniques in your reading assignments, but actually try to start using these techniques in your own creative writing as well to create some interesting effects.